Oh no, it's raining. Yeah, we better go back inside. Oh, inside it's raining because now we can't play outside. Yeah, I'm going to jump down. Hehe, I'm going to do it too. Okay, let's go back inside. Yeah. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mommy, 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 mommy. Guys, what's up? There's a thunderstorm outside. What? There's a thunderstorm? Yeah, there's a thunderstorm. Okay, guys. Let's just close the doors. Breaking news. We have now just had information that there is a thunderstorm going on. Please stay in your houses and stay calm. Do not go outside. Lock all doors and windows because there could be lightning. Well, there's a 95% chance of lightning and thunder. Anyways, here we go with the new television show. Oh my goodness, it is actually thunderstorm. Mommy, are we gonna be okay? Yes, honey, we're gonna be okay. We've got loads of food. We have all of our doors closed. I think, let me go check. Closed. This one closed. Closed. Lock. And I reckon all the doors upstairs are closed. So yeah, everyone go get into their jammies. We're already in our jammies, Mom. Oh yeah, and we can just watch television. Pew. Yay, we can't watch any TV now. Oh my gosh, Mom, did the TV just turn off? Yeah, great. Now we have no TV, no entertainment whatsoever to watch. I'm sorry, honey. I could go get some board games. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's clear this table. And I'll go get some. Okay, so I found all of these games. So let's go put these over here. And which one would we like to play first? Okay, please play Bat Bunnies. I love that. Yeah, sure. Let's get all the characters out. What move? Okay, now let's get the cards out. And let me get the other thing out. And yeah. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My go, Mom. 6. Yes, I get a card as well. 8, 4, 5, 6. This one. Yes! I'm gonna have another 2 rolls of the dice. 2. And I get another roll because of the 6. 1, 2, 3. I win! Haha! Suckers! Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's go play another game. Yes, I won. Yes. It's only because Toby didn't play. Yeah, that's only because I didn't play. You know, I'm literally the queen of board games. Well, yes. Guys, by the way, the reason why Zoe didn't play is because there aren't enough characters for them all. I was literally so close to you, Daddy. I was about to overtake you, and then you just won. Yeah, I was close as well. Anyways, guys, it's time for bed now, so let's go get you ready. Right, so if anybody needs to come down in the night for like a cup of water or anything, come into mine and your dad's room, and then we can help you, because we don't want you going down in the elevator by yourself. So yeah. Okay, let me go into my room now. Now I need to brush my teeth. Okay, now that I've finished with my teeth, I'm gonna go get into this natural pajamas, but this is just like a robe slash comfy clothes. I'm gonna wear this one because it's absolutely freezing outside. Like, if my mom wears this to bed, I'm literally gonna crash out. Yes, me and my mom have some of the same clothes, but that's only because, well, I have my lunchbox up here, so I shouldn't have to go downstairs that much. So yeah. Good night, guys. Wait, I need to just do my face real quickly. Spray on some deodorant. Let me just brush my hair. Lip gloss. What is clothes? There we go. Okay, and now I'm just really gonna spray some perfume, and I'm gonna go to bed. Right, good night, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go into bed because I've already brushed my teeth and all that. So yeah, good night, honey. Good night. Good night, kids. Good night, Dad. Good night, Dad. Good night, Daddy. Good night, Daddy. We can just switch to bed so we don't need to brush our teeth because we're baddies. Okay, let's go to bed now. Anyways, guys, this is the end of today's roleplay. Please like and subscribe. Comment some roleplay ideas and Q&A ideas in the comments below. And bye. Love you so much.